Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday!
Look at over here. Oh, some birthday.
What's this?
Birthday cake popcorn.
Gummies!
Minnie Mouse gummies.
The thing I wanted! The little ears!
Yeah, let's turn them on. Let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
Look, the blinds are broken here too.
I guess this will be in my bed instead.
Are you gonna sleep in this room, yeah?
Yeah. This is
Everybody ready? Get ready to take off with the world's only flying over. Double!
Please remain fully seated and enjoy the fun on Dumbo.
puzzle. And I got these. And this was my first one. And I said it was easy as opening a book. Now I'm going to find slow. This is a
S. You got to look for the L, and the O and the W.
Can it be like this way?
No, it only goes across or down.
S. No.
When you look for the S, see if there's an L close by. See, no L. Oh, is there an L?
S-O-O-W.
There you go. Look at that. You found the word slow.
Where was it?
So circle
I don't
slow.
even know what it was.
Oh, you've lost it again? Look for S-L-O-W.
S-L-O-W.
There it is. Circle slow and then cross it off the word up there because we found it. Okay, what's the next word?
New.
New. So let's look for an
N-E-W.
N-W. Correct. Wow, you found that one right away. Now, what's the next word?
Old.
Right.
O.
O-L-D. Wow. Okay, now N. Look for an I and an N. I see it. Yup, look at that. Look at how smart you are. What's the last word? Out. So look for
I can go
O.
outside.
Yup. Look for an O, a U, and a T.
O. U.
T.
O.
Remember, it can go up and down
Uh-huh.
or across. Look for an O and see if there's a U next to the O.
O. U. T.
You found it. Look at that. Excellent.